Hello, and welcome to another Science Sisters video. Today we're going to explain how the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine works against COVID-19. The AstraZeneca vaccine uses a virus that would normally give a chimpanzee a common cold. This is called a chimpanzee adenovirus. Inside the adenovirus there is DNA. DNA acts as instructions for the virus, telling it which proteins to make. The AstraZeneca scientists modified the virus by deleting a section of DNA so that the virus can no longer replicate. This deactivates the virus so that it cannot cause an infection or any harm to the human body. They also added a piece of DNA that has the instructions for making the coronavirus spike proteins. These spike proteins are useful targets for vaccines. So when you get injected with the vaccine, this new modified adenovirus enters the body. The chimp adenovirus can attach itself onto a human cell and enter, which makes it very useful for carrying DNA to our cells. When it's inside the human cell, it releases the modified DNA into the nucleus. Once inside the nucleus, the DNA for the coronavirus spike proteins can be read, and this gives the human cells instructions for how to make them. Fragments of these spike proteins move to the outside and present themselves on the cell surface. These coronavirus spike proteins can then be recognised by our immune system. The body makes antibodies and T cells against the coronavirus spikes, preparing the immune system to quickly fight off the coronavirus if it later infects the body. This method of using an adenovirus to carry DNA comes from decades of research and has been used in vaccines against a number of diseases such as the flu and Ebola. So, we want to thank all the researchers for their hard work, along with the NHS staff and everybody behind the scenes who helps develop vaccines. Thanks for watching and happy vaccinations.